Welcome to Jeffrey's Travels and Food. Well, this is what I'm going to be cooking on the grill. A seasoned grill steak. Boy, this steak is pretty big. Okay, that's what's in there. I'll show you that in a moment. Marinated chicken kebab. I'll show you that in a moment. Sorry I crossed out the price. They weren't that bad anyway, but they were okay. And then a Butcher's Blend chicken tender bites. Yeah, these are pretty good. These are almost like appetizers. Well, with everything I got, coleslaw and all this was like 24 bucks. So there you go. I'll go ahead and start opening this stuff up and show you what it looks like. Well, there's the delicious chicken kebab and the Butcher's Blend chicken tender bites, chef's blend. Doesn't that look good? And then there's my seasoned steak. Doesn't that look delicious? So there you go. That's what we're having on the grill tonight. Thanks for watching Jeffrey's Travels and Food, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and let me know what you'd like off of this dinner. This chicken kebab, chef's blend, a regular chicken kebab, or that seasoned steak. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh yeah.